Who is known as the Iron Lady of India? Answer option B, Indira Gandhi. Who was the first Indian to win the Gyan Award for English Literature? Answer option A, Amitabh Ghosh. Which Indian state is famous for Pushkar Camel Fair? Answer option B, Rajasthan. Who was the first Indian woman to win a gold medal in Commonwealth Games? Answer option D, Krishna Punia. Which Indian state is the largest producer of mustard? Answer option D, Rajasthan. Who was the first Indian to win a Grammy Award? Answer option C, Ravi Shankar. Who wrote the book Train to Pakistan? Answer option B, Khushwant Singh. Which Indian state is the largest producer of coffee? Answer option C, Karnataka. Who was the first Indian to win the World Chess Championship? Answer option A, Vishwanathan Anand. Which river is known as the Sorrow of Bengal? Answer option C, Damodar. Which Indian state is known for the Meenakshi temple? Answer option C, Tamil Nadu. Who was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize for Physics? Answer option B, C.V. Raman. Which city is known as the Detroit of India? Answer option B, Chennai. Which Indian state is known for the Gir National Park? Answer option B, Gujarat. Who wrote the book Wings of Fire? Answer option B, APJ Abdul Kalam. Who was the first Indian to win an individual gold medal at the Olympics? Answer option A, Abhinav Bindra. Who was the first Indian woman to become a cabinet minister? Answer option D, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. Which city is known as the City of Palace? Answer option B, Mysore. Who was the first Indian woman to become the Speaker of Lok Sabha? Answer option B, Meera Kumar. Which Indian state is the largest producer of mangoes? Answer option B, Uttar Pradesh. Who wrote the book A Switchable Boy? Answer option B, Vikram Sheth. Which Indian state is known for the Kaziranga National Park? Answer option B, Assam. Who was the first Indian woman to win the Miss Asia Pacific title? Answer option B, Zinat Aman. Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? Answer option C, Ular Lake. Who was the first Indian woman to become a chief minister? Answer option B, Sucheta Kripalini. Which Indian state is known for the Valley of Flowers National Park? Answer option B, Uttarakhand. Which Indian state is famous for the Chow dance? Answer option B, West Bengal. Who was the first Indian to win the Man Booker Prize? Answer option A, Salman Rushdie. Which Indian state is the largest producer of turmeric? Answer option D, Andhra Pradesh. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest twice? Answer option B, Santosh Yadav. Which Indian state is famous for the Ratha Yatra festival? Answer option B, Odisha. Who was the first Indian woman to receive the Bharat Ratna award? Answer option A, Indira Gandhi. Which Indian state is known for the Onam festival? Answer option D, Kerala. Who was the first Indian to win an Oscar award? Answer option A, Bhanu Athaiya. Which Indian state is the largest producer of coconuts? Answer option B, Kerala. Who was the first Indian woman to become the President of India? Answer option A, Pratibha Patil. Which Indian state is famous for the Garba dance? Answer option A, Gujarat. Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic bronze medal? Answer option D, Karnam Maleshwari. Which Indian state is the largest producer of saffron? Answer option B, Jammu and Kashmir. Who was the first Indian woman to become a judge in the International Court of Justice? Answer option D, Neeru Chadda. Which Indian state is famous for the Kumbh Mela? Answer option A, Uttar Pradesh. Who was the first Indian to win a Pulitzer Prize? Answer option C, Gobind Bihari Lal. Which Indian state is known for the Tawang Monastery? Answer option B, Arunachal Pradesh. Who was the first Indian woman to be appointed as the United Nations Civil Services? Answer option B, Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Which Indian state is the largest producer of oil seeds? Answer option B, Gujarat. Who was the first Indian to be elected as the President of the International Court of Justice? Answer option B, Nagendra Singh. Which Indian state is known for the Wangala festival? Answer option B, Meghalaya. What is the full name of P.V. Sindhu? Answer option A, Pusarla Venkata Sindhu. What is the capital of Mizoram? Answer option A, Aizawl. Which river is known as the Dakshin Ganga? Answer option A, Godavari.